Let's see if she's gonna crank up here after sitting for a bit. Uh-oh. We're out here on Greater Fort Loud this afternoon. Trying out the boat a little bit, see how she's gonna run. Unfortunately, we picked a windy afternoon here. Wind picked up. It's just really unfishable out here right now. No way to really control the boat. And this wind right here, looking for a few crappie out here, but it's not really worth it right now, I don't think. No way to control the boat in this wind. We're gonna move back out of here, look around some of these coves here, see if I can't find some bait fish. Throw out my cast net. Maybe a time or two, get some bait fish, maybe drift around for some catfish or something. Right here, it's just a little bit too windy right now for this type of fishing. Test out the Fort Loud. Really windy out here today. Kind of let myself get blown up in against all this brush, and I managed to pull one little crappie out of here. Little green jig with a white head. So we'll turn this one loose. See if we can't get another one here. Maybe get this camera set up. Maybe there are a few of them out here. Oh, right there. Pretty little white crappie. Let him go back. Alright folks, we got one here. This is the third one right here. That little same little spot right there. Jig right there. Wind's howling through here all of a sudden. Sorry about the wind noise. That's crappie number 3, second one on that blue jig. He thumped it pretty good. Not very big, but hey, that's encouraging. There's a few fish out there. Get a little thumbnail. It's a little dark out here for a thumbnail. I'm going to turn him loose right here. Crappie number 3. Right here, about an hour or so before dark. Alright. See if we can't get another one here. Let's see if she's going to crank up here after sitting for a bit. Uh-oh. There she goes. Second season with this old Nissan Tohatsu. hit that subscribe button. Should be showing up right over there, that little circle that shows up right over there. Hit that subscribe button, help me out there if you can. I appreciate it. I love to know that you know, hey, somebody's out there watching these videos. Hey, thanks again for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you there on the next